Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to collect an item, but you have to have a certain amount of coins in order to collect the item. So you can see right here, when it comes up here, you cannot grab that item because it's saying you need 10 coins and my score is 0. So I'm going to grab, and each coin you gain 2 points, and then I'm going to use the warp to jump over here. And I'm going to grab another score, and I'm going to show you when I go back. I'm going to try to collect it. See, you can't collect it because I don't have 10 coins. Go back over here, and I'm going to grab the remaining coins. Now I have 10. And see, I'm able to collect it, and it gets rid of my score. My score is at 0 now because I had 10. I used it up collecting the item. So the way I did this was, alright, so object right, when he collects the coins, okay, you go to your score, and I dragged over a set score. Every time I collect a coin, I'm going to gain 2 points. Set it to relative. I had a sound here, but I didn't have the sound on, but it has a sound noise as well. And then it's going to destroy other, because you don't want to set it self, because you'll destroy all the coins. You want to set it to other. And then I also had an object score here, which is just a question mark that's up here. And then go to add event and go to game start, and you drag over a test score, set your value to 0, say equal to, set your score. Then you want to also do set your score. So you want to test you're doing the test score, and you're doing set your score, set it to 0. And then I chose a font here, Arial 12 size bold. So I've made a file for that, chose my font, and got it from the draw event, and that's the file name. The color is white. Then do a draw and go to the score tab and drag over a draw score and set your view, X view to 50, view for Y view to 50, and then you can change this whatever you want. I just kept mine at score. That's the position of where it's going to be out on screen. No relatives checked. And then depth minus 50, that sets up the score. Then I had a object message in here, so it blinks pretty quickly here, but I slowed it down by using a variable statement here in the control tab. Image speed 0.2, that will slow down in the animation. Set the depth to minus 5. Then same thing with the coin. It flashes pretty quickly, so I slowed it down by using the variable image speed 0.2. And then you're talking about the object item. So when the character, and you can just set it to collide with the right, object right, because the up, down, and left, they're all parented to the object right, so it doesn't matter if you're going up and collecting the item, you will pick it up because you're parented to object right. It's all these 3 images here are linked with object right, so you only need to put it in one area to save you time there. So go to score and you drag over a test score. When the value hits 8 and larger, then you're going to destroy the message, you're going to destroy the object, and you're going to collect it, and then your value is going to go back to 0. Now, I changed this value to 10 and had it larger than, it didn't work for some reason. So when I set it to 8, then I'm able to collect it when I'm able to collect it when I have 10 for some reason. So it's kind of odd the way GameMaker set up here, because I even messed with the equal to and smaller than, and none of that seemed to work. You have to keep it at larger than, and then make your value at 8, and then it seems to work at 10 for some reason. Because I changed this number to 9 or 10, and it doesn't seem to collect it unless you get like 12 or something. So it's kind of odd. So I set mine to 8, and then basically when I get 10, a score of 10, then I'm able to collect it. And then your score goes back to 0 because you have to, purchase the item. The item's 10, so it's going to take away all your coins to grab that item. So that will conclude this video on this. Thanks for watching.